Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Claude AI account step by step. Open your web browser and go to Claude AI. Once the page loads, click on the sign up option to begin creating your account. You will now choose how you want to sign up. If you want a faster method, click continue with Google and select your Google account to sign in instantly. If you want to use your email, click continue with email. Enter your email address, then check your inbox for a verification link or code. Open it and follow the instructions to confirm your email. After that, you will need to verify your phone number. Select your country code, then enter your mobile number. Click send code and wait for the message. When you receive the 6-digit code, enter it on the screen to complete the verification. Next, you will be asked to complete your profile. Enter your name and your age as required. Make sure the details are correct. Once you finish these steps, your account will be created. You will be placed on the free plan by default, so you can start using Claude immediately. If you want more features later, you can upgrade your plan anytime from the settings. Now your Claude AI account is ready to use. Thanks for watching.